What if I told you that one simple kitchen ingredient could completely transform your orchids? Imagine seeing brand new flower spikes emerge faster than ever and enjoying breathtaking blooms for months. Most orchid owners unknowingly make one mistake that prevents flowering. But today, you'll discover an easy trick gardeners have quietly used for years. The best part? It's inexpensive, natural, and takes less than a minute to apply. Before you spend money on expensive orchid fertilizers, watch this entire video because the final tip can dramatically increase your chances of getting healthy spikes and vibrant flowers. Get ready to surprise everyone with orchids that bloom beautifully again and again. Let's reveal the secret. 1. Why orchids stop producing flower spikes. Many orchid lovers believe their plants have stopped blooming because they're too old. In reality, orchids usually refuse to produce flower spikes due to stress, poor nutrition, or incorrect growing conditions. Without enough phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and essential micronutrients, the plant focuses only on surviving instead of flowering. Weak roots, compact growing media, and inconsistent watering also reduce blooming potential. Healthy leaves alone don't guarantee flowers. Your orchid first needs strong roots that can absorb nutrients efficiently. Once the roots become active and healthy again, the plant naturally begins storing energy for future blooms. Understanding why flowering stops is the first step toward encouraging fresh flower spikes and longer-lasting blossoms. 2. The secret ingredient. Crushed eggshell powder. One natural ingredient many gardeners swear by is finely crushed eggshell powder. Eggshells are rich in calcium, an important mineral that supports stronger cell walls, healthier root growth, and overall plant vigor. While eggshells are not a complete fertilizer, they can gradually enrich orchid potting media when used correctly. Wash the shells thoroughly, dry them completely, then grind them into a very fine powder. Sprinkle a small pinch around the orchid's growing media, not directly on the crown or leaves. As the shells slowly break down over time, they help improve calcium availability. Combined with proper orchid care and balanced fertilizer, this simple addition may contribute to stronger, healthier plants. 3. How to apply it correctly. Using too much of any natural amendment can do more harm than good. Sprinkle only about 1 teaspoon of finely ground eggshell powder every 2 or 3 months around the potting media. After applying, water lightly so the particles settle into the bark mixture. Never pile eggshell powder against the orchid stem or crown, because trapped moisture can increase the risk of rot. Remember that eggshell powder works slowly, so patience is important. It supports healthy growth over time rather than creating instant blooms. Pair this method with a balanced orchid fertilizer and proper watering routine for the best overall results. Consistency always beats overfeeding. 4. Give your orchid the right light. Even the best fertilizer cannot replace proper lighting. Orchids need bright, indirect sunlight to produce flower spikes. A location near an east-facing window is often ideal because it provides gentle morning sun without scorching the leaves. If the leaves are dark green, your orchid may need slightly more light. Healthy orchids usually display medium green leaves and firm growth. Rotate the pot every couple of weeks so every side receives even light exposure. During winter, supplement natural light with an LED grow light if necessary. Consistent lighting helps the plant build energy, encouraging stronger roots, healthier leaves, and the development of beautiful new flower spikes. Five, watering mistakes that prevent blooming. Overwatering remains one of the biggest reasons orchids fail to bloom. Orchid roots require air as much as water. Water only when the potting bark is nearly dry and the roots appear silvery instead of bright green. Soak the pot thoroughly, then allow excess water to drain completely. Never let the pot sit in standing water because constantly wet roots can rot quickly. Good drainage is essential for healthy orchids. During cooler seasons, reduce watering slightly because evaporation slows down. Healthy roots absorb nutrients efficiently, which supports flower spike production. Proper watering, combined with balanced nutrition, creates the ideal conditions for spectacular orchid blooms. 6. Boost flower spikes with temperature changes. One of nature's most effective flowering triggers is a gentle temperature difference between day and night. Many orchids naturally initiate flower spikes when nighttime temperatures drop by about 5–10 degrees Celsius, 9–18 degrees Fahrenheit, compared with daytime temperatures. This seasonal change signals the plant that it's time to bloom. If possible, place your orchid in a cooler room during the night while maintaining warm daytime conditions. Avoid exposing it to freezing temperatures or harsh drafts. Combined with bright, indirect light, healthy roots, and balanced nutrition, this temperature shift often encourages orchids to produce new flower spikes naturally. Small environmental adjustments can make a surprisingly big difference. 7. Patience, consistency, and healthy care. Every orchid grows at its own pace. Some may produce new flower spikes within a few weeks under ideal conditions, while others may take several months. Avoid expecting overnight results from any single ingredient. The healthiest orchids come from consistent care, proper watering, bright, indirect light, balanced fertilization, good airflow, and occasional natural supplements like finely ground eggshell powder. Watch for signs of healthy roots, firm leaves, and fresh growth, as these often appear before flower spikes emerge. Stay patient and resist overfeeding in an attempt to speed things up. Steady care gives your orchid the best chance to reward you with beautiful, long-lasting blooms, year after year. Outro. Now you know one simple natural trick that can support healthier orchids alongside proper care. Remember, crushed eggshell powder is only one part of the equation. Healthy roots, balanced fertilizer, bright, indirect light, correct watering, and the right temperature all work together to encourage strong flower spikes and stunning blooms. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with another orchid lover who wants more flowers. Subscribe to the channel for more proven plant care guides, easy gardening hacks, and indoor growing secrets every week. Thanks for watching, and may your orchids reward you with healthy growth and spectacular blooms for many seasons to come.